Forward, please. Keep looking forward and okay. Hold up. Hold. And fresh fruits. So this bird known as one of the small species of cockatoo that we got in Indonesia. So right now I think it is time to go home for Jessie and Kiki, but Kiki is just going already. So it is only Jessie here right now to go home. Sydney, okay, that's why the crocodile. You can open both of your hands. Yeah. So now you'll be the magician. If I say bim salah bim, you have to say abracadabra. You got it? Okay, let's take a practice first. Bim salah bim.
Abracadabra.
Okay, that sounds good. So let's see what's gonna happen with this bird. If you say the magic word wrong, there is something wrong will happen to the bird. Okay? You got it? Are you ready? Bim salah bim.
Abracadabra.
Say louder.
Abracadabra.
Oh no! What you have done to the bird? No, it's alright. The bird is just acting. She's not dead, okay? And do you know this bird is male or female?
Nope.
No, can you see from that part?
I'm guessing a female.
Okay, your answer is correct. But you cannot see from that part there, so you can see from the eyes. If the black color eyes like this is the female one, and black color eyes is the male one. And now, can you make her get up?
Get up.
Try again.
Abracadabra.
Okay, well done. Give applause to Peter and second turner of practice. So right now we have a red hornbill, and this one can be found in Bali Island and also some part of Southeast Asia. One can be found in Bali Island. And did you know this bird is a male one? You can tell it from the color of the pouch. If there is a color like this one is the male, and blue color for female. A lot of people think that this bird is toucan, but it is not a toucan, it is the green species we call hornbill species. And here we feed them fresh fruits. By the way, they can eat other small animals. So watch your heart. And this bird is known as monogamous bird. That means they only have one partner for the rest of their lives. Okay, give up everyone. So right now we have the white-bellied sea eagle, but long time ago lots of people calling this bird Papuan eagle. Jadi sekarang kita punya burung elang laut kulit putih, tapi dahulu masih banyak yang menyebutnya sebagai burung elang Papua. Tapi juga diklasifikasikan mereka tergolong sebagai burung elang laut kulit putih. And this type of bird can be found in eastern part of Indonesia. And in the wild, they can eat other small animals like chicken, a rabbit, even a snake. So this bird has very soft claws that you can see the trainer, they need to wear the glove to protect their hands from the claws and also from the beak. And this type of bird also can catch 20 meters, and usually the female one, they have bigger body than the male. it is time to go home for Bima. Alright, give a applause please for Bima and Mr. Adam the trainer. Let's welcome Raka and friends. Here they are. Right now we have the black parka eagle, and this type of bird is known as one of the smallest species of predator bird. So these birds have good eyesight, sharp claws, and powerful grabs. And here we train them to catch a food in the air. And when these birds flying, they will following this wind. So they use their tail to control their body whenever they want to turn right or turn left. Okay, so you'll be fine. Come on. Might I know your name? Okay. Okay. Nice name. Look at the camera to the front, okay? Don't even look back. Just relax. Look at your grandpa. Keep smiling. And now let's see what's the bird gonna do. Keep looking forward. Looking forward. What was it? I'm sure you'll be alright. Well done, thank you. And another one. Satu lagi. Kita mau coba ke depan. Please raise your hand. Yeah, Shiba, you're not coming? Cooper, are you his brother? Okay, just keep looking to the camera over there. Then if I look back, and now the bird will give you a new hairstyle. And now let's see. Just keep looking forward, please. Keep looking forward, and okay. Hold up. How do you feel? How do you feel? Scared, I think. Okay, how about one more? Satu lagi for the last one. For the last one? Yes, you boy. I think we have brother, a family who grew enough to come here today. May I know your name again?
Paxton.
Paxton. Are you from Australia? Okay, I know that. You can keep looking forward to the camera. Don't even look back and just relax. And now it is time for the last one. Okay. Well done. How do you feel?
That hurt.
That hurt. I'm sorry for that. Well, that was the last bird we got for today, and I want to say thank you very much for joining us here on the Bird Presentation program. Don't forget to come and get your restaurant. We have the animal encounter at 3:30. So thank you everyone. Have a good day and bye bye.